Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to explain the RSI indicator and the RSI divergence strategy. First, we're going to move on to the explanation and some tips. Then we're going to see the pound Aussie chart and the examples of RSI and RSI divergence. So first things first, what exactly is the RSI indicator? Well, put it simply, the RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movement. It oscillates between 0 and 100 and is typically used to identify overbought or oversold conditions in the market. And it doesn't matter if it's crypto or forex. Now, let's talk about how it works. The RSI calculates the strength of a security's recent price movement, comparing the magnitude of recent gains to recent losses. The calculation results in a single line that moves within the 0 to 100 range. But here's where it gets really interesting. The RSI divergence. This occurs when the price of a security and the RSI indicator move in the opposite direction. And it's a powerful signal that suggests a potential reversal or continuation of the current trend. So this is how it works. It appears when the main price chart moves down and the RSI indicator moves up. So the divergence happens, which indicates a possible and a powerful trend change signal. So how we can use this RSI divergence in our trading strategy is just explained, and here are a few tips. First, look for the divergence in conjunction with other technical indicators for confirmation. Second, pay attention to divergence on multiple time frames to validate signals. And I suggest you to work on 15 to 4 hour or even a daily time frame. And third, use RSI divergence as a tool to anticipate potential trend change, but always wait for confirmation before making a trade. So now let's move on to an example on pound Aussie 1 hour chart. Here we have a chart and here we have the RSI indicator. If you don't know how to add this, here's how. First, go to the indicator tab and type RSI, Relative Strength Index, the main one. Click on it, and here's your indicator. As you can see, this line is yellow, so let's change the color and make it pink. Okay, now here's how it works. Here we have the RSI indicator. Let's hide this one. Okay, we have the RSI indicator, and this is our main chart. Here in this part, and this part, and here. As you can see, here we have an uptrend, and we are currently in an uptrend. But our RSI is ranging in these parts, and here it suddenly changed. So on our main chart, this is an uptrend, but our RSI indicator is showing a downtrend. And this is exactly where the divergence happens. It's a signal and it says that the trend is going to change soon. So you need to be careful on this pair. Another way of using RSI indicator is like here when it's overbought, or let's see if we can find an oversold here. Yes, here. If it is oversold like this, it's again a sign of a trend change. So our oversold market can change to be a buyer's market soon. And here is where it's oversold. After getting our confirmation, put your first TP and the previous high, and your stop loss can be where it is oversold. So it's here, and it gave us a 3.67 risk to reward, as you see. And another way of using it is when it's overbought. Like here, it's overbought here. Depending on your strategy, you can enter a sell trade here after it's overbought. Here is where I'm going to enter. Put my stop loss on previous high, and TP is on previous low. So as you can see, when it's overbought, it suddenly pours down and the sellers get back the power when it's overbought. It's same when it's oversold. For example, here we have a great confirmation. We have this three black crows pattern. If you haven't watched that video, watch it because it's again a great sign to enter a trade. So as you can see, after these three black crows, we have a big risk to reward trade if you are a long-term trader, and still we are here on that uptrend. But it can change to be a downtrend according to this RSI divergence. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. And until next time, happy trading!